Thank you. So now we have time for a quick discussion question or discussion session. And our first question is to John Keller from Paul Lucy. So Paul mentioned that Zimmerman et al. Showed that solar wind should be diverted into PSRs by ambipolar fields. So the question is, would your instrument be able to test this?
Well, it would certainly, to some extent, but I would advocate for a more complete plasma package, including magnetometer
Great, thank you.
and electrons.
So just a reminder to everyone out there, you can submit questions on the Q&A or chat for our recent speakers. But we'll also have time this afternoon to delve into these ideas more fully in the breakout sessions.
So if there are any, I have a question for the last speaker and I cut him off. So he probably was going to say this. Do you have an idea of what your overall sensitivity is?
So yeah, so that's a great question. With our current instrument, which is an older generation cavity ring down spectrometer, we can do on the Delta 17, we can do about 1 to 2 per mil, which is basically a tenth of a percent. But we are optimistic that that precision can be pushed even farther using cryogenic concentration tricks or newer instrumentation that utilizes cavity ring that uses quantum cascade lasers.
Okay.
I hope that helped answer your question.
Yes.